Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on engineering mathematics. In this video, we are going to see examples of inverse Laplace transform based on partial fraction and linearity property. Let's go for our first example. Here we have to find L inverse of s upon s square plus 5s plus 6. Let us see its solution. First of all, we factorize this denominator as s plus 2 into s plus 3. To do this, you can use calculator to find its root, and from those roots you can write its factors. Now the problem of finding L inverse of this function reduced to problem of finding L inverse of this function. Further, to make it more simple, we will split this function into two terms using partial fraction. Time being, we call this equation as equation number 1. Now using partial fraction, we let this function as a upon s plus 2 plus b upon s plus 3. Guys, I have taught this partial fraction technique in my another video. Link of that video is given in the description box. Now coming back to this equation. Further in RHS, we cross multiply these terms so that denominator of RHS matches with denominator of LHS. After comparing numerators of both sides, we get s is equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2. Let us call this equation as star. Now to find out value of a, we are going to substitute s is equal to minus 2 in this equation star. Because of which we get minus 2 is equal to a into 1 plus b into 0. Solving which we get a is equal to minus 2. On the similar lines, to find out value of b, we are going to substitute s is equal to minus 3 in this equation star. So we get minus 3 is equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 1. Therefore, b is equal to 3. Now we substitute these values of a and b in this equation. Therefore, s upon s plus 2 into s plus 3 now becomes minus 2 upon s plus 2 plus s plus 3. Now we substitute this into equation number 1. Therefore, equation